In today's video, I'll show you wall painting designs that look extremely expensive, but actually cost very little. These designs are easy to do at home, even if you're a beginner. 1. Two-tone wall design. One of the easiest ways to make a wall look expensive is using a two-tone color combination. Choose two shades from the same color family, such as light beige and warm taupe. Always paint the lighter shade first, and let it dry completely before applying painter's tape for the darker shade. Keeping the darker color on the lower or side portion of the wall adds depth and visual balance. This technique is widely used in luxury homes because it creates a layered look without extra cost. 2. Vertical stripe wall for height illusion. Vertical stripes make rooms look taller and more elegant. Measure equal stripe widths. Usually 6 to 10 inches works best. Use painter's tape and press it firmly to avoid paint bleeding. Paint alternate stripes in a slightly darker tone. Once the tape is removed, the wall looks structured and refined, similar to hotel interiors. 3. Sponge texture accent wall. For a soft designer texture, use a kitchen sponge. Dip it lightly into paint, remove excess, and gently dab it onto the wall. This technique hides wall imperfections and adds depth. Under lighting, sponge textures reflect light beautifully, giving the wall a handcrafted and premium feel. 4. Faux concrete finish wall. Concrete-style walls are trending in modern luxury interiors. To create this look, apply a light gray base coat. While it's still slightly wet, use a dry brush or sponge with darker gray paint to create random strokes. Do not aim for perfection. Natural unevenness makes the wall look authentic and expensive. 5. Painted arch feature wall. Arches add architectural elegance, but construction is costly. Instead, draw an arch shape using a string and pencil, then tape along the outline. Paint the arch with a soft, contrasting color. This design works beautifully behind beds, sofas, or reading corners. 6. Geometric wall designs using tape. Geometric patterns look modern and artistic. Plan the design on paper first, then use painter's tape to form shapes. Use only 2 or 3 colors to keep the look clean. Once the tape is removed, the wall instantly feels professionally designed. 7. Half-painted wall technique. Half-painted walls are simple, but very stylish. Measure around 45 inches from the floor and mark a straight line. Paint the lower half darker and the upper half lighter. This creates structure, saves paint, and gives a modern luxury feel. 8. Ombre gradient wall. Ombre walls use smooth color transitions. Start with the darkest shade at the bottom and blend upward into lighter shades. Work while the paint is wet and blend using a sponge. This design creates a calm, artistic look ideal for bedrooms. 9. Faux panel wall using paint. Wall panels are expensive, but you can paint them instead. Use tape and a level to create rectangular panel shapes. Paint with a slightly different shade than the base wall. A matte finish enhances the illusion and adds classic elegance. 10. Neutral color palette for luxury look. Luxury interiors rely on neutral colors. Shades like beige, gray, taupe, and soft white reflect light gently and feel refined. Neutral walls make furniture and decor stand out, instantly upgrading the room's appearance. 11. Matte finish instead of gloss. Glossy paints highlight flaws and glare. Matte finishes absorb light and give walls a smooth, rich look. Professional designers often prefer matte finishes for high-end interiors because they feel calm and elegant. 12. Metallic accent highlights. Metallic accents add a subtle luxury touch. Use a sponge or small brush to apply metallic paint lightly on edges or patterns. Keep it minimal, too much shine looks cheap. When used correctly, metallic accents reflect light beautifully. 13. One statement wall strategy. You don't need to design every wall. Choose one focal wall behind a bed or sofa and keep the rest simple. This approach saves money and creates a balanced, high-end look. 14. Clean edges and sharp lines. No design looks expensive without clean edges. Always use painter's tape and press it firmly. Remove tape slowly before the paint fully dries. Sharp lines instantly make DIY work look professional. 15. Correct paint mixing for consistency. Always mix paint thoroughly. Use measuring tools when adding water or thinner. Inconsistent mixing causes patchy walls, which ruin the final look. 16. Dry brush technique for subtle texture. Remove most paint from the brush before touching the wall. Apply light strokes in one direction. This adds soft texture and depth without overpowering the design. 17. Lighting check during painting. Check walls under natural and artificial light. Lighting reveals uneven areas that normal viewing hides. Fix issues immediately while paint is still workable. 18. Always test before full application. Test paint colors and techniques on cardboard or a hidden wall section. Paint often dries differently than expected. Testing prevents mistakes and saves money. 19. Precision and measurements matter. Luxury design depends on symmetry and proportion. Use a level, measuring tape, and pencil for accuracy. Good measurement matters more than expensive tools. 20. Final inspection for professional finish. Turn off lights and use a flashlight along the wall. This reveals roller marks, missed spots, and uneven textures. Fixing these small details makes the wall look truly expensive. These were 20 wall painting designs that look expensive, but are actually very budget-friendly. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which design you're planning to try first. Thanks for watching.